everyone, I'm Lisa from Onde. If you want to move from manual order handling to automation, or if you want to grow your taxi business with mobile apps, this video will be helpful. We will compare AutoCab and Onde side by side, looking at their apps, branding, localization, marketing, support, pricing, and more, so you can see which platform better fits your goals. Ready? Let's dive in. Both Onde and AutoCab help taxi and transportation companies move from phone bookings to digital, but they come from very different backgrounds. AutoCab is a well-known taxi dispatch provider in the UK. It was founded back in 1989 and has deep roots in traditional dispatch software. Onde, on the other hand, was built as a mobile-first platform supported by operator tools and an admin panel. It's designed for the way people book rides today, through apps. Both Onde and AutoCab help taxi and transportation companies move from phone bookings to digital, but they come from very different backgrounds. AutoCab is a well-known taxi dispatch provider in the UK. It was founded back in 1989 and has deep roots in traditional dispatch software. Onde, on the other hand, was built as a mobile-first platform supported by operator tools and an admin panel. It's designed for the way people book rides today, through apps. Let's talk about analytics, because analytics are crucial for understanding your business performance. AutoCab offers analytics through a separate product. It lets you track growth trends, booking sources, popular zones, and monitor customer activity, including identifying regulars or lapsed users. It's useful for spotting inefficiencies and understanding overall performance, but the insights aren't AI-driven and marketing tracking isn't built in. Everything you'd expect from a standard analytics module is available in Onde, and even more. Onde gives you an AI-powered dashboard that not only shows trends, but also flags inefficiencies like idle drivers or low-demand zones, and even suggests actionable fixes. On top of that, it integrates with Google Analytics and Apps Flyer, so you can monitor marketing and operations together in one place. One big difference between the two is flexibility. Onde gives you the option to go beyond ride-hailing into food delivery, parcel delivery, or other on-demand services, all from this same platform. AutoCab is focused purely on taxi and private hire. That makes sense if you only ever plan to run rides, but if you want the chance to expand into multiple services, Onde is the one that sets you up for that future. Another key difference is localization. Onde is built for global reach with support for more than 70 languages, full right-to-left text support, and multiple map providers. You also get over 20 built-in platform gateways with the option to add local ones on request. AutoCab, on the other hand, supports fewer languages and only about 8 payment gateways. It works well in its core regions, but if you are aiming for international expansion, Onde gives you much more flexibility. Here is why marketing matters in ride-hailing. It's not just about ads, it's about creating a stable channel for passenger and driver growth. These days, most riders have at least 5 ride-hailing apps on their phones. So if your app isn't visible online or in the stores, you're losing up to 30% of potential customers from the start. That's why every Onde plan includes App Store optimization by default. Your apps don't just get launched, they get visibility right out of the gate. You also have the option to tap into Onde's in-house marketing agency for ad campaigns, branding strategy, and campaign reporting. Autocab, in contrast, doesn't handle marketing directly. They rely on external partners, which means there is no in-house expertise to guide your campaigns. Support and stability are crucial for any dispatch platform. Onde handles over 2 million orders a day with 99.98% uptime, so you don't have to worry about disruptions to your business. Every client also gets 24/7 tech support, plus a dedicated account manager free of charge. With Autocab, support is handled through email and a Zendesk portal. Public data on stability or uptime isn't available, so it's harder to benchmark their performance against Onde's track record. Onde uses a one-time setup fee plus flexible monthly pricing. You choose revenue share, per ride, or per driver. All apps, features, and updates are included, so there are no surprises. Autocab doesn't publish transparent pricing. Costs are usually tailored on a case-by-case basis, which can make it harder to predict your total expenses in advance. So, who should pick what? Let's put into perspective what we learned. Autocab is a good fit for traditional taxi or private hire companies that rely heavily on call centers and want a legacy-style system. If you already have a fleet and want solid reporting and call center integration, Autocab delivers that. Onde, on the other hand, is the choice if you are looking for a real tech partner, not just a software provider. It's designed for business owners who want to automate operations, save their time, and focus on growth. It's the easiest path from a manually managed company to a scalable, locally leading mobility brand. With Onde, businesses save up to 16 hours of management time every week, see up to 30% boost in operator performance, and typically notice user base growth within the first 3 months after launch. Exact results depend on the market and location, of course. Want to see how Onde can help you grow? Book a free demo with the team or take a quick quiz to find the right platform for your business. I'm gonna leave the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time!